How to change your Netflix password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your Netflix account's password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you'd like to change your Netflix account's password, all you have to do is first of all just launch the Netflix application and then just sign into the account. So you can see I'm signed into my account, and now what if I want to change my password? So to change my password, I just have to tap my profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I tap the profile icon from the top right, here you'll find an option called account. So you want to make sure to tap the account option. As and when you tap on the account option, over here you'll be taken to this page where you'll find the phone number, email address and everything, and here you'll find the option called change password. So all you have to do is just tap the change password button that you see here. Once you tap on change password, all you have to do is first of all make sure to enter the current password, then enter the new password that you want to change to, re-enter the new password. You can choose to sign out of all devices and then just tap the save button to change your password. But if you don't remember your current password, you can also just tap the forgot password button here. Once you tap on forgot password, you can choose to verify with your email address or your text message. Tap the email button over here and then your Netflix account password will be successfully changed. That is it on how you can change your Netflix password. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.